Cassie, Mommy gonna count to 3. 1,
2, 3.
Are you doing Mommy's countdown? I'm gonna do it again. 1,
2, 3.
What comes after 3?
2,
No, that's before 3. 4,
9,
9. Let's count. 1,
2, 2,
What comes after 2?
2,
What comes after 2?
2,
What does apple start with?
3.
What does ball start with? Ba. It starts with a B. B, C, that's right. A, B, C. 1. What comes after 1? What comes after 1? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What comes after 8? 8, 9. That's right. You're so smart.